The 1Search Plus screen includes the following options. Choose any item directly from the top 10 search lookups, which displays the most popular lookups by actual users for this particular vehicle. Quick links provide fast access to tech service bulletins, common specs, driver-assisted ADAS information, trouble code index, wiring diagrams, component locations, and service manual. Using the 1Search Plus entry box, you can enter a specific component name or symptom, even a trouble code, and get all related results in a single lookup. Using 1Search Plus to locate specific component information, we'll look up brake pads. As soon as a few letters are typed, a list of matching options is displayed to choose from, minimizing user typing and spelling effort. Click on one of these and the search results are displayed. Select brake pad from the results. TruckSeries brings all relevant information to you in a series of cards sequenced in a diagnostic workflow. The specifications card provides immediate access to verify the brake pad condition. Testing displays any related procedures and tools required. Component location, in this instance, the adjuster and adapter exploded view. Component operation to review description and operation of the specific brake system. Wiring diagrams for brake systems. Diagrams will display related mechanical diagrams. Remove and replace provides step-by-step instructions with useful safety cautions and warnings, along with graphics that can be viewed full screen. After repair provides related service details such as torque wrench settings. Clicking on labor opens the estimate guide for you, as opposed to having to close repair modules and open it yourself as a separate tab. It filtered the estimate guide down to match your search term, so you don't have to spend any time looking for it. Clicking on the brake pad R&I heading will display all labor time options appropriate to complete your specific labor operation. It starts with the primary labor, followed by any combination times. Clicking Add will record the labor on the quote feature according to your shop labor rates. The estimate guide, quote feature, and shop settings are covered in detail on other TruckSeries videos. Once this content is reviewed or printed, clicking on Return to 1Search Plus returns you to the initial results screen.